Well, here's a rare car, a 1996 Ford Mustang Cobra KENNE Supercharged 440 plus horsepower, 14,000 miles. As we said, this is a rare car, and when you first look at it at a distance, it looks like it's black. I hope the videos do justice to it. Now, if you want to see more fantastic photos and see the pricing, just click the link right down below. But it may appear black to you when you first walk from a distance, but then you begin to see that fantastic changing colors on this car. So we said, I hope it shows up for you in the video. It is Mystic on the exterior, has a black leather interior, and under the hood, that supercharged 440 horsepower, 4.6 liter DOHC engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission, limited slip rear end as well. Factory features include air conditioning, Mach 460 AM/FM CD cassette stereo. It has power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power steering, power brakes, has fog lamps, rear defrost, tilt, cruise control, and ABS. Now this car comes with a clean Carfax, and as we said, it shows just 14,723 miles. This rare 1996 Mustang Cobra is in nice condition. It comes with some great performance upgrades as well, and it is one of just 1,999 96 Cobra Coupes built in this desirable Mystic color. This is a rare car. The car's paint, as you can see, is in very good condition. It has a great shine, and it has a set of 18-inch 5-spoke nickel finish SVE wheels that have been added, and Nitto NT555 tires. Beautiful cars. The interior, you can see, has very good factory leather seats, very good to excellent center console, very good door panels, a steering wheel. Other additions to this car include that KENNE polished supercharger kit, Cook's stainless steel long tube headers, catback performance exhaust, black molded plastic mud flaps with pony logo, hood struts, window tint, and aftermarket keyless entry. The subframe is corrosion free. And all of our cars here at buyavette.net are hand-picked, so give us a call today at 770-414-5552. We are an online dealer. You can come and see us. We have just an unbelievable collection of Corvettes and our favorite muscle cars here on display. But you can also call from anywhere in the country, talk to one of our sales representatives, and you can buy online with ease and confidence. We ship nationwide, much less expensive than you would ever imagine. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net. Hit that subscribe button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. What a beautiful car this is. Click the link below and take a look at the price, but take a look at those other fantastic photos as well. buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia.